While working with Ansible, you will also encounter the so-called magic variables. Let me give you a quick overview. So a magic variable is a special reserved system variables. There's a couple of them, like host vars, which prints all the variables assigned to a host, or groups, which is about all host groups, or group names, which prints all names of the host groups, or inventory host name, that is the host name as defined in inventory. Inventory host name short, the short alternative. And there's a couple more which you won't see that often. Now you should know that these magic variables are reserved. You cannot redefine them yourself. They have the highest possible priority. Funny story, first time I encountered magic variables was while working with the playbook to create users. And of course, I wanted to define a variable groups. That's not going to work because of the magic variable groups. Can you just imagine that all my users were becoming a member of the groups, as in the host groups? That didn't make sense. Well, magic variables explain everything. So how do you use them? Well, host vars can be used to address facts or inventory variables from other hosts. As in host vars Ansible to Ansible facts distribution. That's something that you can put in a playbook to point to a variable of another host in a specific playbook. Groups can be used to list all hosts in an inventory group. As in the template conditional structure for hosts in group web servers. We'll see a better example of this while discovering templates in one of the upcoming lessons. Group names has all the inventory groups a host is in. So that is very convenient because you can use a conditional, like here, the conditional structure as you can see it in a template, if web servers in group names. That is going to discover if a host is a member of the group web servers. Now, inventory hostname or inventory hostname short can be used to address a host as alternative to Ansible hostname when fact gathering is disabled. So at least it allows you to work with host names anyway. And that's what you need to know about magic variable. Let's continue.